Applying for a mortgage can be a long, drawn-out process. But if you know a few questions to ask your lender before applying for the mortgage, then the process can be rather quick and easy. I'm Mary Burruss with Liz Moore & Associates, and today's video is 6 questions to ask your lender before applying for a mortgage. Number 1. What information or documents will I need to provide when submitting my mortgage application? Your lender will need a lot of information from you to determine if it's a good bet that you'll pay back the money that you want to borrow. This can include things like valid identification, proof of employment, bank statements, tax returns, and things like that. Having a list of items you'll need before starting the application process will allow you to get all these documents together, which will make the process go a lot smoother. Number 2, how long will the whole process take from start to finish? Many factors go into getting a mortgage, like loan processing, underwriting, title search, home appraisal, and more. And the glitch at any of these points can drag the process out. Other things that might affect your particular timeline are how quickly you turn in all of the documentation, if there is a holiday around the time of your application, and even the time of day you submit your application. As long as all of the documents and questions are addressed ahead of time, any loan officer worth their salt should be able to give you a really good estimate on how long it will take to get pre-approved. And once you have an offer accepted on a home, how long it will take to finish the process. We call that closing in the business. Number 3, how exactly does my credit score affect my interest rate? I'm just going to answer this right now. The higher your credit score, the better the interest rate you can get on your mortgage. So it makes sense to get your credit score to be the best place it can be. During the initial interview with a lender, they should be able to tell you if taking some time to improve your credit score will help you significantly or not. Number 4, how do I lock in an interest rate and how long can I lock it for? The rule of thumb is the shorter the lock period, the lower the interest rate. Typically, mortgage rates come with a 30-day lock. Conversely, the longer the lock period is, the higher the interest rate. That makes sense because if you're asking a lender to reserve money for you at a rate, they may not want to offer that rate in 60 to 90 days down the line. Number 5, are property taxes and home insurance included in my monthly mortgage payment? Some future first-time home buyers budget themselves for a mortgage payment only that just covers the principal and the interest, leaving out tax fees and insurance payments. Yes, there are cases when you can pay those separately, but certain loan products require those fees to be factored into your monthly payment. Make sure you know what's included in your loan payment to avoid expensive surprises. Number 6, how much money will I need for closing? The answer to this question will come within a couple of days of finishing the application process. Your lender will send you something called a good faith estimate. This letter gives you a good idea of the fees you will be responsible for when you complete the purchase of your new home. Please note that this is an estimate, so your actual closing costs may vary a little bit. I hope you enjoyed learning the 6 questions to ask your lender when applying for a mortgage. If you know someone preparing for the home buying process, please share this video with them. I'm Mary Burruss with Liz Moore & Associates, and if you know someone who is hoping to buy or sell a home in the near future, reach out to me at maryburruss@lizmore.com. I'd love to help you find your home.